How you doing today? Thanks for joining me again on another episode. So today we're going to be making some Caribbean favorites. In Jamaica we call it saltfish. Some Spanish countries may call it bacalao. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my Bammy and saltfish recipe. Zane? So if you want to learn how to cook and pack huge flavor into your food, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell to get all the notifications. Now join me in my kitchen. So these are the ingredients you're going to need. I got some sweet pepper here, some tomatoes that I've chopped up and de-seeded. I got some scallions, some onions, some chopped up garlic, and a habanero pepper. I'm going to put some plantains with that. And this is Bammy. This is what it looks like. It's basically cassava grounded up and made into like a patty form. It's really delicious. You can find it at any Caribbean, Jamaican stores in the United States. So here we have the bacalao, also called, saltfish in Jamaica. So this already, I have cooked it for about 5 minutes in boiling water. So that's ready to go to be sauteed. And right here I have the Bammy pre-soaking. So I'm soaking it in milk so it gets really nice and soft. And I added a little condensed milk to that so that it gets a little added sweetness. So let's start cooking. Alright, so first to get started, I got this pan here going with some oil. We're gonna deep fry our Bammy. And also I got this Dutch pot in the back. We want to have that Dutch pot to bring that good Caribbean feel. So I'm gonna add some oil to start it off. Then what we're gonna do next, we're gonna saute these veggies, right? But since our oil is nice and hot, I'm gonna go ahead start frying the Bammy. Yeah, a little disclaimer there. You gotta be careful when putting it in. Turn this down. But we want a really nice golden brown and crispy. So when your Bammy start getting a nice golden brown color, you just go ahead, flip it, let it continue frying. So now I think the pan in the back is really nice and hot. So what I'm going to do now is just slowly go ahead and add these veggies. You can just add everything and just saute it up. So now we added the plantains. We're going to have the plantains there cooking down. And we still got our veggies in the back, sauteing up, smelling so fragrant in here right now. I wish you guys could have smelled this, man. Remember, season to your taste. So your salt, your pepper, make sure you add a little seasoning to it, so that it flavor up your pot. This right here, we're just developing that bond between all these flavors. So you need the salt to enhance it. We got plantains going. We got our vegetables and stuff, seasoning all blended up right here. We're gonna go ahead and do now is add our bacalao, which have been already pre-cooked. We just go ahead and mix in everything. So after about a good 15 minutes, saltfish is nice and done. Look at that. You can see all the flavor just popping out of it, man. The onions, the green peppers, the scallions. And we got a nice habanero pepper to supply all the spicy flavor. Let's split it up and try it.